What's the meaning of constitutional? Constitutional. Constitutional.
Constitutional. Constitutional. The term constitutional refers to something that is related to or based on the rules and principles laid down in a country's constitution. This can include the powers and roles of government institutions, the rights and freedoms of citizens, and the processes for making and enforcing laws. The result of a political system that is constitutional is generally a more stable and democratic society, where individual rights are protected and the rule of law is upheld. A constitutional government can also provide a framework for resolving conflicts peacefully and creating a more equitable society.